Next part will be fully having the small fibers. We know already the artificial dialyzer is there. So here is the area you need to know that the two parts. One is for acid, another is for base. So what is the purpose of these two solutions?
Balance.
Yeah, for the balance, so just take it off. So that is the major purpose. Then the most important part is here. Here you can see the things are run this continuously. It automatically sorts off because the rates of the failures are coming from the roller pump. So if the pressure will be made rises or the roller pump will be made rises, it automatically sensing off it will be by the pressurized conditions. It will be shows on the display. So that time the calibration is once before you need to on the machines. The calibration is the most important. Why the calibration is most important means it automatically sensing all the sensors. Flow sensing will be correctly or not. The air bubble detector is correctly not. The temperature detector is correctly not. It will be shows on the display before the morning. Once we need to on the machine, firstly we need to check out. First we need to drain the machine. All those things. Drain the machine after you not on the machine. And then you can see this is one type of internal. Already I told this is one type of 10 ton of capacitors, and then you can see the capacitors are including some several resistors or that, some several data transmissions that everything are connected over here. So because it is responsible for each and everything are transmitted by this component under the transmission lines. So that's why I need to tell you. Then you can go to the inside some several capacitors, transistors over that, and then it have to say 10 ton film capacitors also including more. So that's why I need to give the importance to the actuator. Move is the element to sending each and every blocks to the another circuits. Okay. Next we are going to move on. The board name is called function board.
So this is called as power supply.
Yeah.
So this is basically made for electrical
So
supply.
fully having the electrical power supply, regulate the voltages, regulate the frequencies, regulate the currents by the power supply. But the actuator is the element to fix the things, to rectify each and every blocks. It will be sensing by the actuator board is possible to sensing each and every current level, every speed level, every things are done by this actuator. Actuator means it is switching like that. One type of switching like it which just switches off and you have taken off. No, sensing element is another thing I can show you. This area is only for the transmission, for sensing the things, for the data. So I will show you what are the boards are inside that. So you can see if any the display unit and control units are getting failure, how to check that. So first of all, this board's name is called power supply. So the nature of the problems are coming from is the power supply. So first board you can see the inside, what are the major components are just included. You can come and see the things. You can see what are the boards are majorly used. First of all, the power supply, because we see in another equipment SMBS, something we are seeing. Here you can see the power supplies are included fully having that totally belongs on the transistors, and then you can see the connections of transmission lines from the power supply. Then you can see inside having the fully having 1000 microfarads. You can see the 1000 microfarads and then the 35 volt of capacitors we are using. You can see inside blue color you can see one electrolytic capacitors is there. You can see some electrolytic capacitors can see and get into the things.
What is it?
Yeah, that is the things behind.
Black color?
Yeah, one second. This is one type of the electrolytic capacitors you can see. Which one here? This is one type of the inductor. This is the purpose of the frequency will be adjusted by this inductors, because the most of the failures are coming from the inductors. If the frequency will not rises, it will be varying the current levels also. So that's why you can see here is the area the transmission lines. Here is the area the fully having the potentiometers. So this is one type of